How is everybody doing? Today I'm going to show you my new Makita M810K. This is a Mac Tech, but they have kind of rebranded them as Makita for some reason. So this is your entry level Makita power drill. Comes in a hard case. They cost no more than 60 euros. Argos used to carry them, but they don't seem to do it anymore. A nice box, instructions. It used to say MacTech on these orange models, and MT is here, so it was now it's Makita MT. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Ideal for DIY use. So this is your rating, 230 to 240 volt. It's a hammer drill. We'll do up to 16 mil. Normal boring 13 mil. 50-60 megahertz, 710 watts. Made in China. This one is 2017. Bought this on eBay, including the shipping. It was pretty good. I think less than 60 euros. Basically a hammer drill. I have Makita cordless drills, but I just wanted something that isn't gonna wear out on me if I'm drilling concrete and stuff like that. You got a two-way motor system. This is one. You flick here for the other. See underneath that it switches over. This also can be adjusted so that you get a different drilling position. Go like this, sideways, and you lock it back up again. These things are pretty cool. I also own a MacTech jigsaw, which I really love, and I've had it for 3 years and it's excellent. So there you go. This is your selection switch. You've got hammer here and drill here. You've got the keyless chuck as well. I wanted a chuck with a key in it. The basic Makita teal model has got that, but they're more expensive. You can swap this out, as far as I know, by removing it. There's a hex bolt in here, and there's a bicycle pedal spanner will fit in here, and you can take it off and renew it. The Makita chuck will set you back about 40 euros. So you may not want to. I'm not sure if you can get a key with that. It's not too heavy, nice and light, and it's got a good grip on it. Here you got your lock for constant drilling. Here, it's plugged in. I don't have a drill bit in it yet. This is your this is turning clockwise, and when you switch here, you're supposed to leave it stop before you do that. Anti-clockwise. So it's got a nice action to it. Feels pretty good in the hand, and it feels nice and powerful. First thing I'm going to do is drill some wood. So I need to open the chuck, and you just back it off like that, anti-clockwise. And now it's open full, so you switch her back. Ooh, very quick, so you gotta be. So this is a wood bit. Switch it clockwise and gently leave it line up. Okay, there you go. Good to go. So I'm gonna drill this piece of wood in a vise with this wood bit. It's child's play really. Okay, now I'm going to try and drill this concrete. When drilling concrete, you just take your time, leave the drill fall, don't push it like mad. You just burn out the tip of the bit. Yeah, so there you go. Nice neat hole. Then you put in your old plug in a wall, we'll say, and put in your screw and hang your shelves and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to try and drill some steel. All I can find is this old garden fork. When I was a kid, I was always drilling holes and things just for fun. There you go. That's job done. You can also do a little bit of countersinking, tidying up jobs if you want to recess screws. There you go. This looks really, really cool. Yeah. Beautiful. A depth gauge also comes with this. You set it to the distance you want the bit to actually travel. Very, very, very handy when you're doing uniform holes in concrete or wood. So that's the Makita M8101K. Like I said, superb, unbeatable for the price. This will get the job done perfectly around the house. It's better than a lot of drills in the same price category. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Take care.